order multiplied by 2, the order will never change. So order
Ladies and gentlemen, our dear attendees of the workshop today, thank you very much for coming. And special thanks for those who made it from other cities. Thank you for the Wad International School from Riyadh. Thank you for Manarat International School from Riyadh and the Bassam International School from Dammam. Thank you very much. Let me introduce how Oxford help KSA teachers to maintain the best strategies to teach mathematics, both AS and A-level and IGCSE. I would like to introduce our guest today, Ian Pitson. He trained as mathematics teacher after working as a financial accountant in London. Now, he is the head of a mathematics department in prestigious schools in the UK. Ian has been writing regularly for Oxford University Press since 2007. Most recently, contributed to write Complete Mathematics for Cambridge IGCSE, and his name is among the team. Please help me to welcome Ian. Thank you. Please, Ian.
First of all, you can't change the order of the numbers. Merge two numbers together to make, for example, 12. You 3 minutes to see if you can come up with a solution.
What is the philosophy of CIE?
Yeah.
Is it satisfy the idea of global citizenship, for example?
So the 2020 syllabus, this is first examined in June 2020, number, and there are two different strands. There's core and extended. The changes. Now that becomes slightly more difficult when they change the numbering, and the other key out in the extended syllabus at least. Section 7 just has 3 bullet points. The previous incarnation had 5.
Because it came once and no one saw it. Because
Yeah.
it was
Okay. So what you're saying is, does this supersede completing the square as a method for finding the turning point of a quadratic?
In general, when they ask us to draw a graph or when we need to use the derivative, we don't need to waste some time on working on the completing the square.
We are open to give the idea about the derivative and second derivative to our IGCSE students as well, and they are free to use that concept in their examination as well.
Yeah.
We are free to give the explorer for that concept even, although it is not present in IGCSE.
They are continuous functions.
Yeah.
When you have ax bar n and n is integer, positive integer, then that's not.
Sides lm and ln are equal, so you could use ASA in that case. So there's a number of different approaches. That to me seemed the most obvious as I was working through it. Yeah, I would say that for each step in the deduction, the reason why that deduction has been made should be given.
I even wonder why don't they include a bit of log?
If part of the intention was to beef up the specification, I'm surprised they've added this in and taken all the matrices stuff out. So.
Central angle double central.
If they what directly they can
I think you can do it in any way you like, because it helps them to understand it.
Teachers' feedback. Did you find that?
Yes.
If you don't mind, this is very important for Oxford University because this helps us to enhance everything that we are doing.
Table 1, table 4, for example.
For example, the differentiation, M2 was already cancelled. Part of the statistics are now in the O level top. What about the AS and A2 syllabus?
To teach such a rigorous syllabus.
130 for the syllabus.
Whether it's 2 or 3 years.
Okay, for example, the whole paper is perfect and the solution is perfect. Only there is problem for one particular question.
It will be included in our exam in 2019.
In CIA, equation of the circle, no.
And the online training, some of you have already got the online training, those who are on the WhatsApp. When I complete processing all the names on the WhatsApp, you will have the online training.